Dear professional colleagues, today at this juncture, I am overwhelmed as we are witnessing this moment when ICI has completed 75 years of its establishment, or what I can call 75 years of trust in promoting transparency in the economic landscape of our country. It was in 1913 a need was felt for the appointment of a formal auditor with prescribed qualification to audit financial records of the company as per Companies Act. Subsequently, an expert committee was formed in 1948, and it was in 1st July 1949 that the Chartered Accountant Act was passed on the recommendation of that expert committee. To commemorate this year's CA Day, we started with CA Run for Viksit Bharat on the eve of 1st of July. The idea of this event was to encourage CA fraternity to participate and contribute in the Viksit Bharat mission of Government of India. The event had the august presence of Sri Harsh Malhotra, Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
75 years of any institute is really a proud moment. और आप लोग आज इस जब ये इंस्टीट्यूट बना होगा तब में और आज में स्टैंडर्ड्स में बहुत फर्क लाया होगा आप लोगों ने। ये बात बिल्कुल ठीक है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 2047 तक भारत को विकसित भारत का सपना देखा है, और मैं मानता हूं कि उस विकसित भारत के सपने में इकोनॉमी इज ए बैकबोन ऑफ एनी नेशंस डेवलपमेंट, और किसी भी इकोनॉमी का बैकबोन हमारे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स होते हैं।
फर्दर, on CA Day, we had a magnificent event held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, which saw the presence of Sri Nitin Gadkari, Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highway, as a chief guest, with Dr. Manoj Govil, Secretary MCA, as a guest of honor. The celebration also saw the presence of distinguished dignitary, including Sri R. Venkat Ramani, Attorney General of India, Sri S. Krishnan, Secretary METI, President Kappa, President Safa, President of Chartered Account Institute of Bangladesh, and galaxy of past president and dignitaries. Dr. Manoj Govil, Secretary MCA, appreciated the role of the professionals in contributing to the measure taken by MCA in achieving ease of doing business. He stated it was due to this measure that a record number of more than 2,44,000 LLP were registered.
The role of chartered accountants has become even more important in the context of Viksit Bharat vision of Government of India, and I am grateful to the President of ICI who has laid out a plan for the contribution of ICI and CA in the Viksit Bharat period. As far as our ministry, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs is concerned, we recognize the pivotal role that the chartered accountants have in ensuring transparency, accountability and robust financial governance both within the corporate as well as in the non-corporate sectors.
In this regard, I am happy to share ICI gave its recommendation regarding accounting standard for LLP, which are being considered by NFRA and MCA. On the CA Day, 3,000 members physically and 40,000 members virtually participated in the event. During the event, the chief guest applauded the institute for its pivotal role and called the chartered accountant as the growth engine of the country.
मुझे ये विश्वास है कि हिंदुस्तान के चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अगर वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी का अध्ययन करके अलग अलग देशों का रिसर्च और ट्रेनिंग देकर अपने लोगों को तैयार करेंगे, तो जैसे एक्सपोर्ट करके हमको फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मिलता है, वैसे नॉलेज को ट्रांसफर करके भी हमको फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मिलता है। एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट। मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनाइए, वर्ल्ड के अनेक देशों के टैक्स लॉ स्टडी करिए। में सबसे बड़ा रोल अगर किसी का हो सकता है ग्रोथ इंजन के रूप में, तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट का हो सकता है।
On this occasion, we also launch ICAI first ever CA GPT beta version, which is a repository of 18 modules which are designed to assist the fraternity. A cultural show also depicting the journey of the Garuda, the eagle of last 75 years, were presented with the help of artists from every state from our country. Being a partner in nation building, the institute has continuously submitting the pre and the post budget memorandum to the government. This year also, the institute has submitted pre-budget memorandum containing the suggestion for the consideration of the government while formulating the tax proposal. Colleague, in line with the Prime Minister's ambitious vision of establishing big Indian global firm, the institute has constituted a committee for aggregation of CA firm, and in this regard, an engaging and insightful interactive session was held at ICAI New Delhi, wherein Dr. Manoj Govil, Secretary MCA, met with representatives from various CA firms to deliberate on the aggregation of CA firm. Today, India ranks third in the startup ecosystem of the world. ICAI, to augment entrepreneurship, has inaugurated the second edition of the Startup Sphere 2024 on 27 June in Bengaluru. The event witnessed 65 sessions and 175 plus speakers. Promoting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, ICAI MSME in Startup Yatra was also inaugurated. The Yatra bus will cover 100 cities in 100 days, showcasing the diverse endeavor of the MSME and the startup ecosystem. Along with the furtherance of the profession, we are also equally committed to the holistic development of our student. In this regard, we have hosted the International Conference for CA Students in Calcutta, which witnessed the record participation of more than 3,000 students from across the globe. Colleague, I personally believe that the women are an important pillar in our country's development. If we look into all the developed countries, they are developed because women of those countries are developed. I am happy to inform you that Women's Member Excellence Committee recently organized CA Women Leadership Conclave on 29 June at Mumbai, wherein more than 8 sessions and more than 500 women chartered accountants participated. Moreover, for newly qualified CA, ICAI has organized recently on 7th of July convocation ceremony simultaneously at 13 different locations, namely Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Jaipur, Indore, Ghaziabad, New Delhi, Chandigarh and Ludhiana, wherein 8,297 newly qualified CA were given certificates. The event also witnessed live address by the chief guest, our CA TV Mohandas Pai, who was physically present at Bengaluru Center. Colleague, this July edition of the journal is in your hands. This July edition of the journal was a special issue dedicated to the journey of 75 years of our institute on the theme 75 years of excellence inspiring India at 100. The journal talks about 75-year journey of ICAI, journey of our CA logo, abstract of the speech of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri when he had given speech in ICAI function, role of accountant and auditor in nation building, milestone of the UDI, The journey of our women CA. Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund, its journey. Evolution of accountancy education. International milestone of ICI and other. Dear colleague, as the world is changing at a fast pace, what is required? We professionals also work hand in hand with the changing scenario. Equipping ourselves with the latest technology along with the staying updated should be our prime focus. Further, as we are celebrating the 75 years of trust of the issued, I would urge my CA member to use their expertise and their potential in bringing a quantum of change in the country and in the economy and be a differentiator. Jai Hind, Jai ICI.